Tompkins Mahopac Bank is investing in Go Make It, a program that encourages young people to pursue a career in manufacturing within the Hudson Valley. We're also proud to bring back our Hudson Valley Make and Accelerate Scholarship, which helps young people pursue their career in advanced manufacturing.
Hey guys, I'm Forrest, and I'm part of the Electro-Mechanical Apprenticeship program here at MPI. My apprenticeship is a 4-year program. Basically how it works is I go day to day learning new things from guys who've been in the industry for 5 to 27 years. It's like going to school, but getting paid at the same time. And as I learn more, it gives me the credentials I need to further my career. What makes my days fun is that it's always different. I commonly do a lot of electrical work with operator enclosures, but I could be doing stuff with hydraulics, pneumatics. Can't really tell what you're going to get into until you step through that door. Here at MPI, we make machines for all kinds of industries. We provide the machines that the customers use to make their own parts, whether they be in aerospace technology or in the medical field. We have a customer that uses one of our automation cells to create knee replacement joints. Just imagine you are helping them walk. And it's really good to know that I have a definite impact on the world out there. People think manufacturing is dirty. It isn't. We work with a lot of state-of-the-art equipment. It's pretty high-tech. I like coming to work. I like doing what I do every day. It's different. It's challenging. So if you're a person like me, this is definitely a great place for you to work at. And I know if you pursue a career in manufacturing, you won't be disappointed.